Hi guys, welcome back to Dishsosweet. Today I'm making plantain pudding, aka plantain ogi or plantain pap. So guys, this is an healthier version of pap. Yes, and I promise you guys, you are not going to miss the carb in this recipe. I have used green plantains for this recipe, and we all know that unripe plantain consists of a lot of health benefits and vitamins that is good for our health. So guys, if you are an ulcer patient, diabetic, trying to watch your weight, or you are trying to eat healthy, this is the right choice of ogi for you guys. So let's get right into the recipe. In a blender, I am going to add in my already chopped unripe plantains. After which I'll be adding some water. Then I'm just going to cover this up and blend until it's well blended and smooth. So I'm going to transfer this into my pot, and I'm going to place this on a low heat and keep stirring until my ogi forms. See how lovely it looks. You won't even believe this is made out of plantain, right? And this is most definitely going to even taste better. Our plantain eko is ready. As you can see, it looks so luscious, right? So I'm going to serve this now, and I'm going to enjoy it. Okay, so you guys go make yours. Now I'm going to portion this in my bowl. I'm going to add my spoons into this, and I'm going to top it with some milk. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. So make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms at Dishsosweet on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And also, do not forget to go subscribe to our YouTube channel at Dishsosweet also. So if you get to give this a try, make sure you tag us at Dishsosweet on all our platforms. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.